This is it, the day I decide if this staircase is going to be beautiful or a total disaster. Day 3 was short, but felt even more tedious than day 2. Most of the time was spent on filling in these small and large gaps. There were lots of imperfections. Every hole, every gap was filled, no matter how long it took. The more holes I filled in, the more I knew how necessary this step was. I had another moment of feeling like, what did I get myself into? It honestly felt like just me, my putty knife, and a long way to go. At first, I told myself this was going to be an easy process, at least easier than yesterday, but I was wrong. Because every time I found one hole, another was behind it. But that was okay, because the more I worked, the more I realized how detailed this process was going to be and how necessary it was. I knew the top 4 steps were going to be my main focus, and I couldn't wait to get up there. This is where I talked about in all the other videos. These top 4 steps had 2 sections. There were 2 pieces of wood, one large piece that was in the front and then a small piece across the back. And so this needed to be completely filled in across the steps from one end to the other. So this created a little bit of a challenge because there was a dip in these 4 steps across the steps from one end to the other. And so I had to make sure that I used enough of the plastic wood to fill it in to make it as even and leveled as possible. I was truly hoping for the best so that my husband and I did not have to hire a contractor. And if this worked, it will confirm that my vision with these steps were going to be exactly what I wanted. And that's the thing about DIYs. It's not just about the project. It's about the mindset and the perseverance. There are moments when you want to quit, when the work feels endless and you wonder if it's ever going to end. Are you ever going to make progress? But here's the thing. Every hole I filled, every rough patch I smoothed out was one step closer to the transformation in this space. It didn't look like much in the moment, but I knew these tiny invisible details would make the final staircase look intentional and finished. And by the end of day 3, it wasn't about speed anymore. It was about patience. I started to see the beauty in the process, the way that the imperfections were slowly disappearing, the way the staircase was starting to hold a new life. And even though I doubted myself and even doubted this process, I also reminded myself over and over again, this is what it takes to create something lasting and something beautiful. So that's where I'll leave today. The steps are all patched and ready for their transformation tomorrow. Next up, we'll clean off all the sand dust and finally bring in the first coat of paint. You won't want to miss tomorrow. If you're enjoying my videos, please be sure to subscribe to my new channel. I so appreciate your support. Your subscription allows me to continue creating these videos and to grow this channel. See you next time.